Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about another scholarship in Nanjing University. CSC scholarship for 2021 and 2022 has been started. So let's start. Type in Google Nanjing University scholarship CSC guide here and click on this link. Here is the link. You can check the previous year announcement, and now we discuss about the current year announcement. So click here. After clicking here, you can see our website cscguideofficial.com. Here is the detail of this university. So Nanjing University CS scholarship admission has been started. Means they announced the scholarship, but admissions are not started properly, because you can see from January 1st 2021 to March 15th 2021, deadline is 15th of March 2021 and the start date is January 21, okay, 2021. So we discuss, because the main purpose of this video is to alert you that you must prepare your documents before the deadline and apply as soon as possible. So authority is Chinese government scholarship, Nanjing University. This is for master and PhD students, not for undergraduate. In every university where they start undergraduate admission, so I will tell you, don't worry about this, okay. Scholarship type is fully funded scholarship. Monthly allowance is 3000 RMB for master and 3500 RMB for PhD. Just they didn't mention on their official advertisement about documents, so I just mention here because some students says that they require documents, but I send emails to the Nanjing University, so if they reply me, then I will tell you. But according to current situation, you didn't send documents to the university, okay. So still we have a time, so if I get any response from the university, then I will tell you, okay. Eligibility criteria, you can see all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. English proficiency certificate, you can get admission with English proficiency certificate, because many of my friends got admission in Nanjing University without IELTS. So they mention on their website that they required IELTS, but they don't required IELTS. If your official language is English, then it's okay. So don't worry about this, about IELTS or TOEFL and these kind of things, okay. So if you think that you must have IELTS, then you can, but I suggest you, if you can apply with English proficiency certificate, then it's enough, okay. And here is East China Normal University Shanghai government scholarship result. If you can check, then click here, okay. The how to apply for the scholarship, the main story of this game, okay. The first, you fill CSC scholarship online application form. After filling CSC online application form, you must fill university online application portal, okay. Click here to fill CSC online application form, and click here to fill university online application portal. Upload all required documents. Result will be announced at the end of July. So if you think that if they don't require any documents, then why you mention here after getting official response from the university, then I changed into just online applies. So still it's send documents to the university, okay. So don't worry about it, still you have time. But if you get acceptance letter, or if you want to apply want to apply in Nanjing University, then prepare yourself, because it's top ranked university. It's in C9 league. This university is included, so I think it's very great opportunity for you. So if you don't know how you fill CSC online application form, click here, and if you click here to watch video in Urdu, and click here to watch video in English. And if you think that you don't have any idea about how we fill university online application form, then you can watch these videos, okay. Now some students says that how many students they select last year. So here is the result of Nanjing University. So Nanjing University 2021 results here. So we check this list, how many students they select, or you got some idea from this list that how many students they select. So here is the detail, so calculate it from your own side. So I don't have any time, I don't have time to calculate this, so don't worry about this, that if you think that they select some of students from for CSC scholarship, then it's wrong. So here is the list of CSC scholarship Nanjing University. So here you can also check the CSC scholarship result 2019. This is for 2020 this year, and this is 2021 this previous year. So here is the detail, you can check how many students, and you can calculate these students and compare with the 2021 results, 2020 results, and 2019 results. Okay, so with this you can get idea from for CS scholarship students selection criteria in Nanjing University. Click here to apply on university portal as well. The main purpose of this story here is the required documents: CSC online application form, Nanjing University agency B category is 10 to 8 9, online application form in Nanjing University. I think they don't require any documents in hard copies, because they also require that you must upload a CSC online application form in online portal as well. So because in official announcement they did mention that you must send hard copies. So don't worry, keep visiting cscguideofficial.com. If mention here just online apply, it means you no need to send hard copies. So highest degree, you must have transcript of highest education, detailed purpose of study and research in China, means your research proposal or study plan. If you want to apply for master degree students, then you must have study plan, or if you make research proposal, then it's enough for you, it's good for you. Okay, two recommendation letters, passport photocopy. So if you don't have research proposal, you must have study plan, then it's okay. But for PhD, I suggest you must make research proposal as well. Physical examination form and photocopy, English proficiency certificate, HSK certificate. If your major is in Chinese, certificate of no criminal record. They must require certificate of non-criminal record, means police clearance certificate. Without this, your application will be considered as incomplete. Okay. Click here for official advertisement. I will give the link in here, because they offer scholarship to specific major. I think it's for 10 to 12 major which they offer CS scholarship, included Chinese and English. So I'll give you the link, because the file has not been opened which they gave on official advertisement, so that's why I didn't mention here. So inshallah, with the passage of time, tomorrow or after tomorrow, when file is open, then I mention here. So here's the detail which you can see. So if you don't know, have any idea about how to apply for China scholarship, click here, and faculty links, professor emails, all these things are included in our website. So keep visiting cscguideofficial.com. Good luck and take care of yourself.